Yeah, so it says right there, Lincolnton man and his
Yeah,
sidekick
neat.
maintain
The
DIY
Lincolnton
YouTube
Times
channel.
News. Awesome.
Wonder who my sidekick is. Is that you? Or is that Bert? Hey, Bert! Get over here. We got something to show you. We made the paper.
Yes, Master Jimmy. Oh, quite so. Yes. Exciting.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
Hey, welcome to Patrick Parson Workshop. It's a little bit rainy and cold today. It's probably low 40s, rain coming down, a little bit dark in the shop here. I'm going to do something new today that I've never done. I'm going to do a challenge that was put up by Scoutcrafter. And if you haven't seen Scoutcrafter, check out his channel. I think you'll enjoy it. He does restoration of old tools, and he's a former Marine, which is awesome, and he knows a lot about old tools, and he restores them, so it's fun, educational. He's a funny guy. So anyway, I'm going to do this challenge today, first one that I have ever done, and looking forward to it. I'm going to make a tool tote, so stick around. So this is a 1x9 pine board. It's a select pine board, so it's really nice, doesn't really have any knots in it. So it's 1x9 by 8 feet long. And I think I'm going to be able to build the box basically out of this. I'm still working out the design on this, thinking about how I can put this box together right now. Got a few ideas, so let's get to it. All right, so I made my cuts on what is the bottom of the box. You notice I did put my green masking tape on there to make sure I got some smooth cuts there. Let's measure out the sides here. I think I want them to be 6 inches high. All right, so I've got the basic shape now of the tool tote. Got the bottom, got the sides, and I've got the ends. So now I just need to cut these ends and put a little bit of a radius on here and kind of take it in right here. I'm going to go over here to the bandsaw and do one of these after I mark it up a little bit, and then I'll use the one that I cut as the model for the other side. All right, we'll do a little design here. This is the height. This is the side piece right here, so I know this is going to be the right height, so I just want to make a reference mark there. All right, put that aside, so I know this is the area up here where I'm going to come in like this and have the place for the handle. All right, so I want to get the center of this. This side is going to be my template for the rest, for the other side of this and for both sides of the other end piece. So I'm just going to get this all rounded off here nicely. It's chilly out here in the shop, so I am blowing a little bit of smoke today, literally. Or steam, I guess it is. I'm going to cut the dowel that's going to be the handle to its final length here. All right, we're going to get this glued up now. The end grain of this pine soaks up the glue, so you want to make sure that you're on the end grain, putting a little extra there, letting it soak in. Put this last clamp on here, and then I will let this sit for several hours.
Yes, get your kid some, so you can see how little she is. She wants to get down. I think she wants to get next to Papa.
All right.
She's gonna try to eat your sandwich, Papa.
Gonna smell my sandwich.
It's got ham and cheese on it. It's good.
So this is going to be part of the theme of this toolbox. You'll see more what I mean here in a second. I like the way these pocket hole screws look. That drill bit is tight in there. If you've ever used pocket hole screws, you know what I'm talking about there. These pocket hole screws usually don't split wood, but I'm right at the end of this project, and a big split in the front of this is the last thing I want, so I'm pre-drilling them with a little small drill bit. I like how this turned out. I like having the belt there that you can clip stuff on. It's going to be handy. So if you're going to build one of these, I think the most important thing to pay attention to is the dimensions so that your belt will actually fit around here correctly. That's going to be really important to make this design work. I want to thank Scoutcrafter for this challenge. I think it's a good challenge. I think this one's going to be pretty unique, hopefully, but I bet you get a lot of great entries on this. It's going to be fun to see. I want to thank all of you out there for watching and your support. It's been really humbling to see all of the views and the comments. We appreciate those. I want you to know that we are praying for each of you. Please keep my family in your prayers if you would, and we'll see you on the next video.
This is going to be Edith's first time out of the office. We've had her segregated in the office to kind of have her and Leon get used to each other's smells through the door. Where's she at? She hides under that chair there. There's Edith. There she comes. Leon's out here somewhere, but I don't know where he is. Hey, baby. Hey, Edith. All right. That's nice. Doing pretty good. Wow. Good boy, Leon. See that? That's a little kitty. What do you think about that?